Hey there! Thanks for watching this video. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to PracticeSoftwareTesting.com. This demo application is packed with unique features, designed to help you go to the next level of software testing. Here's what you can explore: a Dockerized application for seamless local deployment. 5 incremental versions offering a progressive learning experience. An Angular front end for a dynamic user interface. A robust RESTful API, complete with Swagger documentation. Mailhawk email integration for testing email functionalities. Database restore and seeding scripts for efficient data management. Plus, there's even a version loaded with nearly 100 known bugs. Perfect for sharpening your bug hunting abilities. Visit PracticeSoftwareTesting.com and start your testing journey today. Give it a try and see how it can transform your testing skills.